The 14th Amendment to the Constitution established that any person born in the U.S. was automatically a United States citizen. But it took the courage and determination of one man, Wong Kim Ark, to ensure it was applied to all people regardless of their race or ethnicity. Born to Chinese immigrant parents in the early 1870s, Wong grew up in California at a time of economic depression, unemployment, and unrest. It was a period of growing anti-Chinese sentiment in the United States, when many Americans feared that an influx of Chinese immigrants threatened their jobs and livelihoods. In 1882, the U.S. government passed the Chinese Exclusion Act, halting nearly all Chinese immigration. Existing Chinese communities lived under state and local laws that limited their job opportunities and faced the constant threat of violence from those who wanted to intimidate them into leaving the country. As a U.S. citizen by birth, Wong should have enjoyed the freedoms that citizenship afforded, including the right to travel internationally. In 1890, he took his first trip to China, where he married a Chinese woman and started a family. He returned without incident. But when Wong returned from a second visit in 1895, a U.S. customs agent detained him. The agent believed Wong could not be a United States citizen because of his race and the fact that his parents were immigrants. Held on a steamship in San Francisco Bay, Wong enlisted the help of the Chinese Benevolent Association and took his case to court. 5 months later, a judge ruled that Wong was, in fact, a U.S. citizen and had been wrongfully detained. But the U.S. government challenged the decision, arguing that all people of Chinese descent were permanently under the jurisdiction of the Chinese government. In 1898, the Supreme Court rejected the government's claim, confirming that any person born in the U.S. was entitled to citizenship regardless of their race or the status of their parents. It was a landmark decision, yet Wong continued to face discrimination in his everyday life. He was forced to carry ID papers at all times to prove he was an American citizen. He also struggled to bring his sons to the U.S., which was his right as a citizen. But his landmark court case was an important first step in asserting the rights of U.S. citizenship for people of all races. How did the United States versus Wong Kim Ark reshape what it means to be an American?